Welcome to our overview of top battery saving tips for AirPods. AirPods rely on lithium ion batteries, which degrade over time. Maximize battery life through software tweaks, usage habits, and proper maintenance. We will show you how to reduce power consumption and extend the life of your AirPods. Active features like noise cancellation, transparency mode, spatial audio, and adaptive EQ significantly drain AirPods' battery power. These features process audio in real time, requiring extra energy from the small lithium-ion batteries. Lithium-ion batteries in AirPods last for 500 to 1,000 full charge cycles before their capacity drops to about 80% of original levels. To maximize lifespan, avoid completely draining the battery and instead charge to around 80% for daily use. Regular firmware updates optimize power usage by introducing efficiency improvements and bug fixes that reduce battery drain. Pairing AirPods to one device at a time prevents background processes and connections that consume power unnecessarily. Enable optimized battery charging in iOS settings to learn your daily routine and charge to 80%, slowing battery degradation. Storing AirPods in their case when not in use stops automatic Bluetooth scanning and preserves battery life. Avoid extreme temperatures, as heat above 95°C or cold below 32°C can temporarily reduce battery capacity and accelerate long-term wear. Real-world examples show how practical adjustments can significantly extend AirPods' battery life. A marathon runner extended AirPods Pro 2nd Gen battery life to 8 hours during a 26-mile run by disabling active noise cancellation and transparency mode, then switching to mono audio to use only one earbud. Remote workers saved 15 to 20% battery during all-day video calls by toggling off spatial audio and adaptive EQ features, using basic audio settings instead of advanced processing. Apple's battery replacement program has restored capacity to near new levels for over 1 million users, but degradation will resume without ongoing care, like avoiding extreme temperatures and full discharges. Experts emphasize proactive management over reactive fixes. Joanna Stern from the Wall Street Journal notes that simple tweaks can double the lifespan of AirPods batteries. Apple's data indicates that 90% of AirPods batteries retain 80% capacity after 500 charge cycles, according to their environmental report. Surveys show that 65% of AirPods owners use battery-saving tips daily, extending their usage by 1 to 2 hours. The future of AirPods battery technology is moving towards smart battery management. Artificial intelligence will predict your usage patterns and automatically adjust power consumption, optimizing battery life based on your daily habits. Battery health monitoring is now available in the Find My app. This feature tracks your AirPods battery degradation over time and provides recommendations for optimal charging habits to maintain long-term performance. Longer-lasting batteries are on the horizon through advanced new chemistries. Materials like graphene and solid-state technology promise significantly improved energy density, faster charging, and reduced degradation compared to current lithium-ion batteries. New wireless charging standards like Qi 2 will enable seamless cross-device charging. You'll be able to charge your AirPods using compatible devices and accessories, reducing reliance on the charging case and improving overall convenience. To maximize battery life on your AirPods, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone and navigating to Bluetooth. Select your AirPods from the list, then turn off features like automatic ear detection and spatial audio, as these consume extra battery power. In Control Center, you can quickly toggle off noise cancellation and transparency mode when you don't need them. Lower the volume level, as higher volumes require more power from the AirPods battery. Finally, ensure your AirPods firmware is up to date through the iPhone settings, as updates often include battery optimizations. By minimizing active features, optimizing charging habits, and staying updated with software, you can significantly extend your AirPods battery life. Remember to store your AirPods properly and avoid extreme temperatures. Proactive management is key to maintaining long-term battery health and enjoying your AirPods for years to come.